Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Samsung Xpress M2830dw toner cartridges that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5 is the Green Cycle 4-pack MLTD115L Black High-Yield Toner Cartridge. This premium option stands out for its impressive package size and long-term value, as it includes 4 cartridges, each with a page yield of up to 3,000 pages. This makes it ideal for heavy users, such as small businesses or offices with high-volume printing needs. The toner delivers crisp, bold text and vivid graphics, ensuring professional quality results every time. In terms of design, these cartridges are built with quality materials, including a smart chip and smooth OPC drum, which ensures compatibility with a wide range of Samsung printers. However, the price tag of $65.45 is on the higher side, which may not suit everyone's budget. Another minor drawback is its weight, which adds up when considering shipping costs or storage. While user reviews are generally positive, some customers have noted occasional inconsistencies in print quality. Overall, this product excels in reliability and page yield, making it a perfect fit for high-demand environments. If you're looking for bulk savings and superior performance, this 4-pack is a solid investment. At number 4, we have the budget-friendly Super Ink OnePack Premium High-Yield Toner Cartridge. Priced at just $25.68, this cartridge is a fantastic option for light users or those on a tight budget. Despite its low price point, it delivers a respectable page yield of up to 3,000 pages, making it a cost-effective solution for home or occasional printing. The Super Ink cartridge is designed to work seamlessly with a variety of Samsung printers, offering consistent print quality with sharp text and clean graphics. Its lightweight build and compact packaging make it easy to store and install, adding to its convenience. However, as a single cartridge, it may not be the best choice for heavy users who need bulk printing capacity. It's also worth noting that while customer reviews are largely favorable, the product ranks lower in popularity compared to multi-pack options. This cartridge shines for its affordability and solid performance, making it ideal for students, home offices, or anyone looking to save money without sacrificing quality. If you're new to toner replacements or need a reliable backup cartridge, this is an excellent pick. Coming in at number 3 is the Super Ink TwoPack Premium High-Yield Toner Cartridge Replacement. This product strikes a perfect balance between affordability and performance, priced at $38.98. With 2 cartridges included, each capable of printing up to 3,000 pages, it's a great option for moderate users who need reliable results without breaking the bank. The Super Ink cartridges are built to deliver high-quality prints with crisp text and sharp graphics, making them suitable for both professional documents and personal projects. The packaging is thoughtfully designed, featuring user guides for easy installation. However, the slightly heavier build compared to single cartridge options may be a minor inconvenience. The product has garnered solid customer reviews, though its popularity ranking is lower than some competitors. This 2-pack is ideal for users who want quality and quantity at an accessible price point. Whether you're managing a home office or tackling school projects, these cartridges offer dependable output and a hassle-free user experience. It's a fantastic choice for those seeking a reliable middle ground between cost and performance. At number 2, we have the Green Cycle 1-pack MLTD115L Black Toner Cartridge. Priced at $25.98, this cartridge is just slightly more expensive than the budget Super Ink option, but it offers similar features and benefits. With a page yield of up to 3,000 pages, it delivers consistent and reliable results, ideal for home or small office use. The cartridge is well designed, featuring a smart chip and high-quality toner powder to ensure compatibility with a wide range of Samsung printers. Its lightweight construction makes installation and handling a breeze. Customer reviews praise its print quality, with users noting sharp text and clean images. While it's not built for heavy-duty use, it's an excellent choice for occasional users who value affordability and quality. If you're looking for a dependable single cartridge option that doesn't compromise on performance, this Green Cycle product is a great pick. It's perfect for everyday printing tasks and offers excellent value for money. And finally, at number 1, we have the Green Cycle TwoPack MLTD115L Black High Yield Toner Cartridge. This product offers the best combination of quality, performance, and value, priced competitively at $39.98, with 2 cartridges included, each capable of printing up to 3,000 pages. It's perfect for users who need both reliability and bulk savings. The cartridges are built with premium materials, including a smart chip, smooth OPC drum, and industrial-grade packaging. These features ensure consistent, high-quality prints with crisp text and vivid graphics, making them suitable for both professional and personal use. Customer reviews are overwhelmingly positive, highlighting its dependability and ease of installation. The packaging is compact yet durable, making it easy to store and transport. This 2-pack is ideal for anyone looking to maximize performance while staying within budget. Whether you're printing documents for work or school, it delivers exceptional results every time. It's the go-to option for users who want the best overall value without compromise. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.